Despite flooding across the country, people are still turning out in their numbers to take the COVID-19 vaccines. Minister of Health, the Honorable Dr. Frank Anthony says the vaccination campaign continues across the regions.
There are communities where there's generally hesitancy, and we are working to change those persons' minds. But in other communities, whether it's raining or not, people have been coming out, and hopefully that trend would continue.
Dr. Anthony said that as of March 31, over 40% of the adult population has taken a first dose of the vaccines, and he remains optimistic that this number will continue to grow.
As of today, I think we have hit what I would consider a very significant milestone, because we now have 201,000 persons, 347, who would have received the first dose of their vaccine. So that's a significant milestone. 201, 347 persons receiving their first dose. That would account for 41.4% of our adult population.
The minister added that 69,486 persons have been fully vaccinated. This represents 14.3% of the adult population. Meanwhile, the health minister continues to urge persons who have taken the first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine to return for their second dose as scheduled. He noted that the second dose is as important as the first dose, since the first only gives a partial protection against the disease.
Now we have to make sure, while we continue getting more people their first doses, that we want to also make sure that they come back for their second doses.
Ms. Farina Khan is one of the over 69,000 persons who have received their second dose of the vaccine. Like the Minister of Health, she is encouraging others to take advantage of the government's vaccination drive and to protect themselves. The initiative, she said, is commendable.
Well, I would say that is wonderful. And I would say that the government, I give him credit. He did very well with his vaccine. Because, some country, they can't even get a vaccine. But we get till they're begging you to take it. Right? So I compliment the government for this. Very good.
The increase in the number of persons taking the vaccine pushes Guyana closer to achieving herd immunity against the virus. Herd immunity will be achieved when some 500,000 individuals have been vaccinated.